How to edit a bookmark on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit a bookmark on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then go to the site and then click these 3 points here and you will see here this one like this if the site has been bookmarked. And if you want to edit this bookmark, just click on this star and now you can change the name or anything you want, or the URL, and then go back go back and it will be saved. Let's see. And that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe and see you in the next video.